Korbis, we're a process consulting company that specializes in construction communication and virtual collaboration. We connect owners, experts, and investors to job sites, documenting results using digital platforms and promoting their maximum use potential. Korbis was founded by Devin Hunter, who has owned and operated a concrete construction business for the last 15 years. With a focus on problem solving, he evolved his business from a small architectural concrete operation to a large-scale flatwork company, completing pours of over 15,000 square feet with upwards of 15 men. Inspired by the same innovative spirit, Korbis team members tackle challenges in project efficiency through streamlining communications and facilitating legal and safety risk management. We do this for our clients by implementing virtual team collaboration techniques, drone photo documentation, connecting live streams to the job site, construction process consultation, and virtual expert importation. Send us a message or call us today to see how we can help you with your next big project.